To create a company wiki in Obsidian, open the app and click Create New Vault. Name it something like Company Knowledge Base. Choose a storage location that everyone on your team can access if you plan to share it later, and hit Create. That single action gives you a completely separate, dedicated vault, so your company documentation stays isolated from any personal notes or other projects you might have in Obsidian. Having this clean separation from the start is important because it prevents confusion and keeps your wiki focused. If this guide helps you build a system that saves your team time, please like and subscribe, and let's dive into the full process. Once your vault is open, pause before you start creating notes and plan your wiki's structure. A company wiki typically needs a few core categories: company information like the overview, mission and leadership, policies and guidelines covering workplace rules and security procedures, teams and departments with their responsibilities and members, employee resources such as onboarding guides and training materials, projects with plans and meeting notes, and processes and procedures that give step-by-step instructions for routine tasks. Think about what your organization needs most and list those sections out. This planning phase prevents the wiki from becoming a chaotic pile of notes later. Now right-click in the File Explorer sidebar and create one folder for each main category you identified. A simple but effective structure might include folders named Company, Departments, Employees, Policies, Processes, Projects, Resources, Meetings, and Templates. These folders give you basic organization, but remember that Obsidian's real power comes from linking information together, not just filing it away. The folders act as broad storage bins, while the links will create the actual knowledge network. Create a new note, name it Company Home, and write a brief introduction that explains what the wiki is and how to use it. Then insert links to your most important sections using double brackets, like to Company OVO or a Employee Handbook. This homepage becomes the central navigation hub, so make sure it includes links to everything a new employee would need on their first day. Every time someone opens the wiki, this is where they start, so keep it clear and welcoming. Next, build out your company information pages. Create notes for company overview, mission and vision, company values, leadership team, and organization structure. On each page, use headings to organize the content into sections like overview, responsibilities, important links, and related documents. Keep the information current and written in plain language so anyone can understand it. These pages form the foundation of your company's identity within the wiki. Create a separate note for each department, such as marketing, sales, operations, finance, and technology. On each department page, list the team members, department goals, responsibilities, tools they use, and links to related processes. Then link each department page to relevant employee profiles and project notes using double brackets. This creates a web where someone can start on the marketing page and immediately jump to a specific project or a team member's responsibilities. Now create employee documentation pages like the Employee Handbook, New Employee Guide, Company Benefits, Communication Guidelines, and Work Procedures. These help new team members quickly understand expectations without having to ask repeated questions. Write each page with clear headings and short paragraphs, so the information is scannable and easy to digest. For standard operating procedures, create notes for processes like how to request approval, submit reports, create documentation, or handle customer requests. Each procedure should include the purpose, any requirements, step-by-step instructions, who is responsible, and links to related resources. Consistent, well-documented procedures help everyone perform tasks the same way, which reduces errors and confusion. To keep your documentation consistent, create a templates folder and enable the templates plugin in Obsidian's settings. Build a reusable template that includes fields for the document type, owner, status, last updated date, and a standard heading structure. Whenever you start a new page, apply that template so every document follows the same format. This professional touch makes the entire wiki feel cohesive and organized. Now start connecting your information using links. Open any note, type 2 opening square brackets, start typing the name of the note you want to link to, and select it from the drop-down. Link employee pages to their department page, project pages to the relevant process page, and software guides to training materials. These connections are what transform a simple folder of documents into a true knowledge system where information flows naturally. Add tags like #policy, #process, #project, or #training to categorize notes broadly, but keep your tag list small to avoid confusion. Then add properties to your notes by pressing Ctrl+semicolon on Windows or Command+semicolon on Mac, and include fields like department, owner, status, last updated, and document type. Properties make it easy to filter and manage a large collection of documentation, especially as your wiki grows. Obsidian's search function makes your wiki instantly searchable, but clear naming conventions make it even more powerful. Use specific descriptive titles like New Employee Onboarding Checklist instead of something vague like checklist. When employees can search by topic, process, team member, or policy name and find the exact note they need, they save time and frustration. A wiki is never finished. Create a regular review process for checking outdated documents, updating procedures, adding new information, and removing anything that's no longer relevant. Assign clear owners for each major section, such as HR managing policies, marketing handling brand documentation, and IT overseeing technical guides. When someone is responsible, updates actually happen. After your wiki is built, decide how your team will access it. You can use shared network storage, a cloud sync service, Obsidian Sync for a paid solution, or a team collaboration tool that supports Obsidian Vaults. Make sure you set appropriate access permissions so sensitive information stays protected while still being easy to find for the people who need it. You've now created a company wiki in Obsidian that serves as a central knowledge hub where employees can find onboarding materials, procedures, department information, and resources all in one place. Unlike a traditional file system where documents get buried, your wiki connects information so a new employee can start with onboarding, open their department page, review required tools, and immediately access related procedures. This system reduces repeated questions, preserves institutional knowledge when people leave, and improves team collaboration. If you want to take it further, start with the most frequently asked questions and build out from there, and make documenting knowledge a normal part of your team's workflow. If you found this useful, save this video so you can revisit these steps as your wiki grows.